Oh! This bitch tripping.
Get out the car!
Bruh. Oh my good, this bitch crashing out right now. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy MillyReacts, and I'm coming back at y'all with another reaction video. So I found this crazy video on YouTube called "Woman with Child in Car Rams Multiple People in Police Cars While Trying to Avoid Arrest." Now, I don't know what this Karen has gotten herself into, but we finna find out together. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Follow me on all my socials. The link to everything is in the description box below, and let's get straight into this reaction video.
Now you just had a wreck.
Oh! This bitch tripping.
Get out the car! Get out!
This bitch tripping, bro.
Get out! Tires are flat.
There she, oh, there, bro, move out the way. Dummy finna get ran over. Move, stupid. Hell nah, buddy with the blue shirt, you look stupid. Why do you think you're not finna get ran over? Move. Damn, that was the quickest police chase in history. Yeah, that did not last long at all. Oh damn. This bitch tripping. Why she wait for them to get in front of her like that to try to take off? Oh.
Not gonna make it far.
Bruh. Oh my good, this bitch crashing out right now. Yeah, she is crashing out right now. This is crazy.
Go.
She tore whoever that car is to pieces. That is crazy. Bro. This bitch is literally toying with the police right now. Cause it's like she'll go, then she'll stop just like this, then just like she tripping. Just tweaking, folks. Yeah, the wheels on that bit all messed up. That bit need an alignment. Yeah, she just need to give it up. Just give it up, bro. You're done, bro. You're done. Damn. Now, well, they got you pinned now. It's over. It's over. Bruh, trying to break the windshield, bruh. Well, trying to break the windows with your hand. Is that a civilian? It is.
I got you. Ma'am.
I ain't never seen no cop in a red shirt.
We got it.
Or in a, yeah, I don't know who those people are. They need to get them out the way though.
Sir, I know I'm buckled, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
I didn't do anything? It's crazy.
Alex, switch back to me.
Just come on, man. You going down.
I didn't do it. Stop.
Yes, you did.
Why have you done? Stop. Stop. I didn't.
Goodbye, Karen.
It won't fit. It won't fit. Get it. Make it fit.
Goodbye, Karen.
Stop. I did not do it.
Oh, I was finna say, bro. She finna jump in that bit and take off.
I did not do anything you guys are talking about.
We just wrecked 3 police cars.
I did not.
And a couple others.
No, I did. Was she trying to kidnap somebody?
I was not.
Well,
You couldn't kill that kid. I didn't do anything. Yes, you did. You almost killed 3 fucking people.
Bro.
How? How? You killed 3 people.
put her in my car. Yeah.
Ain't no way, bro.
Yeah, no, we're good. Thank you.
Whoever this random bit is just went off on her ass.
Fucking people. What did I do? I didn't do something.
Look at the way, bro.
And a couple others.
Bro, look at that bit, bro.
I was saying that I was driving recklessly and I was not.
Well,
Closing all the doors on the
Yes, you did. You almost killed 3 fucking people.
closing all the doors that hard, bro. It's crazy.
You killed 3 people.
put her in my car. Yeah. Yeah, no, we're good. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Now you just had a wreck.
Damn.
Get out the car! Get out!
Y'all know good and well y'all not gonna shoot that bit, bro.
Move!
Skirt it off. Woo.
Come on!
Hell no, bro. It was the shortest police chase. She didn't get that far. She only went up the street. That's it. Literally just. Well, I wouldn't even consider that up the street. She really just went up the block for real. Like, really, all she did was just make a U-turn. And then started tweaking. Yeah, this one, she finna tweak out bad.
She's not gonna make it far.
Damn. Tweaking. She was determined, though.
Go!
And the fact she doing all this with a kid in the back seat, I know for a fact the kid probably spazzing. Bro, damn. I think people be forgetting how heavy these cars really are. So it's like, if you hit somebody with your car going a certain speed, like, bro, you just finna end them. Like, it's over. That junk gonna hurt. Let me get that stretch. Bro,
I got you.
breaking the window, bro. You not scared of scraping your arm up on that glass? Oh no, he just ripped that bit completely out. Damn. Bruh, her fat ass still got the seatbelt on. Get your big ass out that truck.
Alex, switch back to me.
Like, get your, bruh, I would have slapped her. Bruh, I can't slap her, but I would have wanted to. Get your big ass out the car. Making my job hard. That's a big bitch.
I did not do it. I did not do whatever you guys are talking about. I did not do it.
Bruh, and there goes the Karen, bro. Well, I mean, that's a Karen. She's a Karen. All of them are Karens. Because why the fuck would y'all let her do all this with that kid in that backseat? Y'all should have been got her up out of there.
You almost killed 3 fucking people. What did I do? Don't even ask how. How? You killed 3 people.
Put her in my car. Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
that shit
we're
is
good,
crazy,
thank
bro. Hey, man. She was tripping with that one. All these folks really be tripping, bro. Like, literally, they just be tripping. But if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. Follow me on all my socials. The link to everything is in the description box below. And it's your boy MillyReacts, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.